Good morning students. I am Vinod Kumar Pusti. I am from Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Today we are going to learn how to solve JEE mains and advanced questions that you have sent me. Given question A is equal to 0, 2B, C, A, B minus C, A minus B, C. Matrix A is equal to given 0, 2B, C, A, B minus C, A minus B, C is orthogonal. Modules of our ABC is equal to K by 12. Then what is the value of K? So how to solve these questions? This question is most important and G mains and advanced questions. First, it is the orthogonal matrix. Orthogonal matrix whose det is determinants of A is 1. Orthogonal matrix determines A is equal to 1. Now, we know that basic of this orthogonal matrix R1 dot R2 is equal to 0. Means dot product of row 1 and row 2 equal to 0. Similar, row 2 dot row 3 is equal to 0 and row 3 dot row 3 equal to 1. Now we can find out dot product of row 1, row 2 equal to 0, row 2 dot row 3 equal to 0, row 3 dot row 3 equal to 1. So now row 1 dot row 2 equal to 0 into A, that is 0, 2B into B, that is 2B square, then C into minus C, that is minus C square. So according to our basic, we can get now 2B square minus C square, and 2B square minus C square equal to 0. Similar, row 2 dot row 3 equal to 0. Now A into A square, row 2 dot row 3 equal to A into A square, B into B minus B square minus C into C minus C square. This also A square minus B square minus C square equal to 0. This is the equation 1 and this is the equation 2. Similar, row 3 dot row 3 equal to 1. Row 3 given, row 3 dot row 3 equal to A into A, that is A square, minus B into minus B, that is plus B square, C into C, that is C square. This also A square plus B square plus C square equal to 1. This is the equation 3. Now we are solved this 2B square minus C square is equal to 0 and A square minus B square minus C square is equal to 0 and A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 1. Now according to first equation, C square is equal to 2B square. Now substitute this value. In second equation we can get A square in place of B square. We can write now in place of C square we can write now 2B square, B square minus 2B square equal to 0. Now A square minus 3B square equal to 0. Now we substitute this value. A square is equal to here 3B square. A square is equal to here 3B square and C square is equal to 2B square. Now substituting in equation 3, we can get now we can get now a square plus b square plus c square equal to 1. A square is equal to 3b square, b square, c square is equal to 2b square equal to 1. Now 3b square plus b square plus 2b square, that is 6b square. 6b square is equal to 1. So b square is equal to here 1 by 6. Now we can get b square is equal to 1 by 6. Similar, c square is equal to 2b square. C square is equal to 2b square. Substitute this value, we can get 2 into 1 by 6, that is 1 by 3. C square is equal to 1 by 3. Similar, a square is equal to 3b square. 3 into 1 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 2. Now a square is equal to 1 by 2 and c square is equal to 1 by 3 and b square is equal to 1 by 6. Now we can get now a square 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 6, that is a square, b square, c square equal to 1 by 36. Now modules of a, b, c equal to 1 by 6. Modules of a, b, c equal to 1 by 6. But here given modules of a, b, c is equal to k by 12. So comparing this k by 12 equal to 1 by 6, we can get k is equal to 2. So k is equal to here 2. If A, matrix A is given 0, 2b, c, a, b, c minus c, a minus b, c is orthogonal, modules of a, b, c is equal to k by 12, then k is 2. K is 2. Thank you.